Hello trader, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Daily Pips Trading, where me, Ignas, I'm sharing my journey throughout my professional trading career. So this time I want to touch base why people usually trade, what's behind usually the story itself, where a trader begins his journey to success, begins his journey to a professional career. This time I want to touch base on why traders usually start their journey. Myself, I also went through this, where I'm running an investment fund right now with over 4 million assets under management. I went from that retail to professional trader myself, so I very much hope you're gonna be able to relate to this. If you don't mind, leave a like, subscribe to the channel itself. It means me wonders when you do that, guys. The support is amazing, so I very much would highly appreciate that again. And without any further ado, I hope you're gonna find value in this, and let's dive in. What are these drawings? What are these lines? What are these boxes? Everything horizontal though, nothing vertical. Like, we don't do vertical. Kinda spend the last 3, 4, 5 years digging into price action, figuring out why the prices move, why certain things deliver, why certain things fail as well. And I've spent bunches of time figuring out liquidity, support, resistance, indicators, a lot of stuff. I very much try to understand, so what is the real thing that, let's say, a trader in a bank, a Federal Reserve, in the place where he can really impact the market, what do they actually use? How do they read the market? How are they able to enter a trade, be profitable? Because I looked at it in a very simple manner. Everything that is written in a book should be bullshit, because there's way too many books about trading, meaning that nobody actually knows how the markets really work, because if they would know, there would be a singular book that would be out there in the market, and that would give us the answer, and we could do this, we could trade. I went into a rabbit hole of believing that markets are manipulated and believing that the markets are being run by an algo. Simply put, why? Because I realized that the markets kind of repeat itself. The markets do certain things at a certain time of the day. A lot of people say you can trade 24/7. That's the beauty of forex. That's the beauty of futures and contracts for differences and yada yada, right? I say that price is only predictable in certain periods of time throughout the day. And that when I teach how to read the market, how to do this, what you right now, I always talk about how important time of day is, and how important it is to realize that time of day is even more important than price itself, you know? So I went into a rabbit hole of figuring out the markets, and I kind of went out to figure it out, believing that there's some sort of algo running this, because I would never believe in a zoo indicator pushing the market higher or lower. I would never believe that the market like this is being influenced because of supply or demand. I would have never ever believed that there's, I don't know, a moving average like this crossing with each other, whatever, right? Moving the market. I don't believe things that are written in the books are moving the markets itself. So I went out and I tried to figure. And I believe that there's an algorithm doing this. And I got mentored by a guy who kind of proclaims that he was a part of the team that wrote it as well in 1990s, which is, you can go figure yourself, right? Have I gotten any proof that he actually wrote the algo? No, I haven't. Have I gotten any proof that the guy really knows how the markets work? Yes, I did. Yeah. So knowing that and keeping that in mind, I literally opened up my charts in 2019. I opened up Euro USD, and I opened 2009, I think June 2nd or something like that. I really opened, either it was my birthday or my dad's birthday. So it's either June 20th or June 2nd. Yeah. And with that hypothesis in mind, I went through every single 1 minute candle, and I took a lot of notes. And I think I got to the point where I figured how this actually works. I figured how the markets deliver. I figured how the markets move. I figured how and there and where markets do certain things that you can predict and you can work with, you know? What are we talking about here? Quite a simple answer as well. I believe that markets move because of two things. Markets either have to deliver inefficiencies, like this. There's a literal gap in price. One candle closed higher than the other open. So I believe that the market moves because it has to deliver inefficiencies. One reason. Second reason, market moves because they chase liquidity. Double top out here. Double tops never hold the price. That's liquidity. That's where the market draws to. Yeah? So having those two in mind, that's how I read the market. I look for inefficiencies and I look for liquidity pools. Liquidity pools. Liquidity pools. Well, everything else, when you realize that and when you understand that, becomes very, very easy. So just trust the fact that algo exists, trust the fact that algo runs the markets, and wonders will come towards you. That buy stop being taken, that's what hurt us the most. This inversion, bomb, push into it, all good. Sell side taken, sell side taken. I'll take this off. This will start to annoy me a little bit. Sell side taken. We have an SMT, massive SMT though. If this gets taken and this remains on ES, huge SMT, huge. What do we have on 4 hours? Like, this is just breaking my heart in a way. Structure broken, pushed to the downside just continuously. Oh, too bad, too bad. Liquidity resting right down below here and then afterwards down here. Yes, staying a lot stronger though, you have to note that. S&P 500 staying a lot stronger than Nasdaq is. From what you see here, you wouldn't be chasing anything. Going long here is reasonable. Like, we've been pushing lower for the last, what, 3-4 hours. Sell side taken now. Looking for a long is not chasing price. I wouldn't say that. I wanted to go short, just like you say, look for a short afterwards. I wanted to go short, but I wanted to get some premium built in before we do that. We didn't get it. YouTube 2022 failing on us for a second time in a row. Yes, staying a lot stronger than in Q though. Liquidity opening up. Let's see, let's continue watching it. I don't mind. I really love the setup though. Like, this was a good setup. Issue though with it. Buy side taken. Too bad. I very much hope you find this insightful, guys. So if you did, leave a like, subscribe to the channel itself. I would very much hope to see you next time. And if you want to see something getting covered again, or something in terms of a topic that you want to see explained, please let me know down below in the comments. And if you want to share, let us know what kind of journey you're having right now. How far are you from the professional trader that you're looking to become? Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.